Alrighty, so this is the Intex IT-890U Mini 2.1 speakers. It's all plastic. So today I have removed this two satellite speakers, and they are not connected. You can see that's the jack of the speaker. So I'm just gonna keep them here, and so only this subwoofer is gonna work, and you're gonna see how it performs. The mini 3-inch subwoofer. So let's turn this on and play the music. Well, you can hear the bass. The bass is there, but it's distorting a lot. Well, this is not good. Let's check some other.